Featured documents the peaker problem, an introduction of peaker power plant facts and impacts in Boston, Philadelphia, and Detroit. This file checks out the ecological justice and public health effects of peaker power vegetations in 3 U.S. cities, Boston, Philadelphia, and Detroit. The document also supplies many case research studies on lessons new coming from community-led resistance efforts in the 3 cities as properly as in New York City and New Orleans. One research by CTA's National Transportation Safety Board recorded a 5% decline in crime due to the application, and a rise in physical violence when it was being implemented. But in lots of metropolitan areas, it found that there is a relationship between boosted enforcement and improved criminal activity, and also a distinction in the difference between the two groups. Energy storage for winter grid dependability, how batteries became the low-cost solution for power assurance in Massachusetts. Connected Solutions, an assessment for Massachusetts energy storage policy best practices coming from New England, 10 lessons coming from 6 states. The fossil fuel endgame. A testimonial of the existing condition of batteries in America shows the important need for and the prospective electrical and price benefits of a linked storing remedy. Based on a series of technological and company recommendations, we provide 3 of the very most vital essential points in the Connected Solutions report. Lots of us have been working therefore hard to try and relocate our sunlight energy storing job all around, but there has been merely one progression. However, points out Greg Lasky, Elderly Bad Habit President, Solar Energy, Circulated Energy, at Connected Solutions, a Nevada-based research stud. In the most upscale parts of Harlem and Northeast Manhattan, there is actually a sturdy economic explanation to count on solar energy power as much as it carries out for its total use. The cost of that installed storing system is a couple of $100. Switching out peaker plants with a body of local eco-friendly electricity generation and electric battery storage can easily lessen greenhouse fuel exhausts, minimize power costs, boost social health and wellness and equity, and help make the unit more resistant in the face of increased hurricanes. Along with a focus on technology growth and circulation, the Kresge Foundation uses its funding to concentrate on electricity effectiveness, energy conservation, and electricity safety. The Foundation's expenditure, cultivated along with Clean Energy Group, which are going to handle the initiative, works with the first time a U.S. structure has devoted to use both its grant-making and foundation resources in a thorough method to take these brand-new tidy electricity modern techno. Home Healthcare in the Dark. Home Healthcare in the Dark, a brand-new report through Clean Energy Group and Meridian Institute, takes a look at the dangers connected with power failures for people conditional on power for in-home healthcare and movement equipment. The file features a riches of instance information coming from 10 major city areas, consisting of municipal Detroit, Pittsburgh, Toledo, Pittsburgh, Milwaukee and the Ann Arbor Metro Place. As even more folks are encouraged to get healthcare at property rather than in healthcare facilities and nursing residences, we need to have resilient energy remedies that keep susceptible homeowners secure in the upcoming energy failure. Along with the assistance of the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services in partnership along with the New York Medical Association and the National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health Research, we are releasing the Medicare for Nurses, Rehabilitation, and Support Service, MRS, on Sun with Justice, Methods for Powering Up Under-Resourced Communities and Developing an Inclusive Solar Market. This document intends to speed up the application of sunlight in under-resourced areas in methods that provide meaningful, long-lasting perks to those areas. The record includes riches of evidence that states consisting of California were better safeguarded through enlarged state-directed to supply rewards for high-efficiency solar.